Gujarati, but let me talk to you in Telugu. Because my origin is Gujarati. Okay, you can call me settler, it doesn't matter. But it doesn't matter. I'm not going to ask anything extra from GOM. Okay? What minister to me? Not protection, I will not also. We are so fortunate to be existing, living with the Telangana.
Yes, sir.
So, talking about archives and archaeology and all those things. Because last time in our introduction it says it. So I don't want to continue again that thing. So we are Gujaratis here, yes. And very much here. నాకు చాలా రుచి ఉన్నాయి డైమండ్స్లో జ్యువెలరీలో రుచి ఉన్నాయి. సో ఐ కీప్ ఆన్ సర్చింగ్ ఇన్ ద నెట్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఐ గెట్ మోర్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద గవర్నమెంట్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ దెన్ ద పీపుల్ హూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు దోస్ సైట్స్. ఇప్పుడు మనకు మెగాలిథిక్ గ్రేవ్స్, మెగాలిథిక్ పెయింటింగ్స్ చూడాలి అంటే యూ మే నాట్ గెట్ మచ్ ఇన్ ద ఆర్కియాలజికల్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ సైడ్. కానీ ఈ పోతున్నాయి ఈ పీపుల్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ దేర్ వాళ్ళు వీడియో చేసి ఒక యూట్యూబ్లో వేస్తున్నారు. ఆల్ ద సైట్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ అన్నోన్ ప్రాబ్లీ. Even though we have also, name kuda, or my father originally was interested in diamond mines. Many diamond mines are there in this area, this Golconda region itself. Chala famous for diamonds. World's best jewelers, ever kuda diamonds kavale, they will come. World andar ikkada Golconda lo vastayi. The main market was Karwan Sahu. ఇంకా దానికి కటింగ్ సెంటర్, మెయిన్ కటింగ్, జెమ్ కటింగ్, డైమండ్ కటింగ్ సెంటర్ గుడిలో ఉంటారు. People don't know much about it. This I read from French traveler Travenier, John Baptiste Travenier. See, a period of Britishers, French, Portuguese, అందరిది అప్పుడు కూడా అట్లా politics, like what we saw in Beaufort was also there then. Then also 300 years back also you will go. They will ఒక king, ఒక రాజుకు ఒక ఫ్రెంచ్ సప్లై చేస్తుండే, ఒక బ్రిటిష్ ఉండే, ఒక పోర్చుగీస్ ఉంటే. Then they will march it. They will shift the position also according to political conditions or economic benefits. So this man, he has written one of the finest texts about Golconda or diamonds. He is known as father of diamond history worldwide. John Baptiste Travenier. John Baptiste Travenier, 1662-1665. 5 visits yesterday. And he has described all the khazanas of the Mughals, right from Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb, and in later part of the Qutub Shahis, Tanashah and other places. And in Kotibali, I mentioned chasing a diamond mining district of these areas. Strangely, people, when I see 2 years back, Smithsonian Institution people came to Hyderabad. 50 years of silver jubilee for the Hope diamond, the world's most expensive diamond. Ikkada nunchi dorukinayi. Okay, now people can, Andhra can say that it is belonging to Muttur if you don't mind. But the most important gemstone in the world is Hope diamond. A 45.54 carat diamond, blue, small size, very rare piece. So second most visited object in the world also. It's lying in Washington DC. And it's diamond only, but the origin we don't know. So probably that we still feel that might be it's a stolen gemstone from a temple. There was one wazir of Golconda, Mir Jubla. ఆయన చెప్పింది చూడండి, ఖజానాలో ఇచ్చేది అవసరం లేవు, ఈ దొంగపడిన ఏంటి ఉంది, మైనింగ్ అయితే ఖజానాలో ఇవ్వాలి. రూల్ 11 మగలియం ఉంటే ఖజానాలో ఇవ్వాలి. గోల్కొండ భాషలో అదే మైనింగ్ దొంగపడడం గుడి నుంచి దొంగపడి చేసేది. సో నా దిస్ థింగ్ ఇస్ డిస్క్రైబ్ ద ఐ ఆఫ్ ద ఐడల్ బుక్స్ మీరు చదివితే విల్ గెట్ ఇట్. This Travenier observed it and all throughout, ever kuda own chesini, they perished. All the family finished. Last person to own was Hope. He also died. Family, everybody gone. So the last successor were the advocates of the family. They auctioned it. Ultimately ended there. So these people came and saw these areas. So I was reading the book. Then Karwan Sahu went. My ancestors akkada nunchine. Okay, 1905 lo manam residency lo shift ayindi. అప్పుడు దాని ముందు అక్కడ సౌకర్యం లేకపోతే కొద్ది ఇల్లు ఉన్నాయి మా యాన్సిస్టర్స్ అక్కడ కూడా ఉంది. ఇప్పుడు ఈ మెన్షన్స్ అవ్వదే సరాయి చెప్తే లాడ్జ్ కార్బన్ చౌరస్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా పోతే సరాయిస్ ఆర్ వెరీ లిటిల్ ప్రొటెక్టెడ్. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇస్ గాన్ నౌ. అన్ని దుకాణాలు అయిపోయినాయి. 2-3 సరాయిస్ ఆర్ స్టిల్ దేర్. మీన్స్ దోస్ గాలాస్ ఏ ఆర్చ్ షేప్ structure is still there. మట్టితో కట్టిన 2 రూమ్ ఉన్నాయి లోపల. And means one is inside room where the passenger or the lodger can stay. Outside he can visit the people. And only original condition ఇప్పుడు కూడా ఉంది. And I don't know if it will go any day. The moment somebody constructed Malgi or put up the shop, gone. So those such rare things are still there. Two things I think again, equipment in the area located there, you will see 2 pillars. ఒక బండలతో కట్టిన ఒక బురుజు ఉంటాయి. If you see somewhere, all national highways చూస్తారు. Those were the symbols of the national highways of the government highways. Not a car. Horses, bullock carts and all those things will be going. And every night halt will be there for the passenger to stay overnight. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఉంటే one night morning start at the evening go camp cheyale sarai or you may call dharamshala also. So many things are there. You can see in Jam Singh temple, most of it are destroyed. They are being destroyed also. Yes, yes. Similarly, Mehboob Nagar, he was mentioning there is a very beautiful place, the Stone Age hedge, we call it. I keep on forgetting. I'm visiting from 1963 నుంచి ఓపెన్ అది మూడుమల్. There is a place known as మూడుమల్. నేను పోతున్నా చెప్తే జెమ్స్ కోసం. అగైన్ జెమ్స్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే అక్కడ పోయింది, అక్కడ పోతే ఇది తెలిసింది. 1963లో పోయిన నా ఫాదర్తోని there are huge 10-15 feet stone columns. That means megalithic grave you can call, మీరు చెప్పొచ్చు. సో అక్కడ మేము పోతే we go for Chalcedony. Most of the Muslim friends will be saying Hakik stones which they are available in truckloads. You can fill up the truck and come. So all throughout that day, but there is this strange looking megalithic graves with the centric Stonehenge already England what we keep on reading utterly similar ఉన్నాయి. Maybe smaller scale or but we have not understood properly. But every time I go, I keep on దాని changes చూస్తుంది. ఈసారి పోతే and మొత్తం సెంటర్ దూరపడింది, broken down. ఈ గుడి కట్టింది కదా. Actually that itself is a gudi. Why do you want to break it? So much of the destruction is happening. These are fine pieces of archaeological tourism or whatever you say. Same thing I suggested many times. Even Kolhapur, Chennai, Prantam, Kolhapur, Gadwal, Madapuri, any Rajulati palaces only. These people spending money in Taramandilo, Bahar, stadium, Indian Chennai. What is the use of that thing? They have not created these palaces into some sort of tourist resort or something. Occidental people heritage kuda unte, but they are not listening. Enta sari charte kuda they are not listening to. Government is not taking. Only people is the influential people in the tourism department or the urban development. Lastly, I want to say something about the heritage. There is an act or a heritage act. There is not an act, it is a rule. In 1996, they declared all these buildings of Nirvain Alpai buildings in Hyderabad is notified as heritage building. That means you aim cheyodani, don't touch it, touch చేస్తే నాకు అడగానే. It means government కు అన్ని జియో ఇష్యూ చేసిన తర్వాత without any financial commitment. చూడండి గవర్నమెంట్ అంటే చాలు బాగా చేస్తున్నట్టు. No finance, మీరు అన్ని చేయాలి, ఫాలో మీరు చేయాలి. బిల్డింగ్ ఓనర్, we will not do anything. How can the building owner survive? He cannot pay for the watchman charges. And the sign in going about meetings lokote, oka Muslim Nawab lady vachini Begum chepte sir ma kitchen anni padipotanu meer building declare chesineda. Come on, help me now. Inko varsham padutuni. Oka rupayi kuda from 1996 is heritage rules lo oka rupayi kuda kharcha cheyaledu. So such a defeating thing. Rules chestunante they say maaku you are not responsible financially, you do it. What sort of irresponsibility? It's a totally irresponsible rules checkup. And every time when government of questions says they are mute. Someday we take them to the court also. That is my next future plan. The heritage thing, you cannot instruct, you have to be responsible. Any rule says you should be responsible. Your responsibility, you cannot sustain a heritage. Many buildings, I chose in Hyderabad, they are demolished, gone, maybe with political consent.
Status number.
Huh?
The state responsibility.
No, they are not responsible. It should, the GOH specifically says about it. So this is something I'm sharing about the archaeology. There are hundreds of sites here, especially the what you say about the Adilabad thing of the paleontology site of dinosaurs sites. About 500 feet, 300 feet size skeletons they have got. And the rare sites on it, but none of appreciation level. Nobody knows about it. SMHC, they are putting it in Mandagura Museum in GSI. So there are dozens and dozens of things which are there. But one thing later on someday we can discuss. One question to my mind is, why was Nizam the richest man in this world once upon a time? That is yet to be answered. And surely, there are 36 items Nizam is declared in the trust. We were the tool, the Deccan Gem Society, we were the Deccan Society. We were the tool initiating of former Chief Minister Naidu to instigate Vajpayee to get the jewelry to Hyderabad. Only thing we explained is, this is our heritage, sir. This Delhi's center capital, I said, Delhi's capital, can they take Taj Mahal to Delhi? So we are important, not Delhi. It has to come here. That's how I don't know, then he forgot us. Once he took all the ideas, he left us. Then we got to Ranusari, we got exhibition, we wanted permanent display of the jewelry to this city, especially in Sarat Museum. It doesn't matter. Hyderabad, it should be permanently displayed. The only thing, two things which are always missing in this thing, no information about the Nizam jewelry is there supplied by the Nizam's family. Nizam family has not said a word about how the jewelry is there, whose jewelry is there. Nothing is mentioned about it. I can tell something about it because I belong to a Jagirdar family and connected with the Paikas of Hyderabad. My family is where the jewelers to the Paikas and the Nizam. Secondly, why was Nizam the richest man? Hindu find the richest man. Why was he the richest man? He did not fight any important wars. How did he become rich? So that has to be proved. Probably someday Vedkumati can organize all that. Thank you, sir.